Now it's time for the Fruiter player profile. And you know it's all about the Premier League. I will just invade the Premier League. I will just go all of the team them. But this week we're in Waterhouse with the captain himself, Hugh Howell, the big central defensive midfielder. Big up Excelsior. You know, say a Fantan Motion steps on a bag of things. No. So here, check it out. Brought to you by Fruiter, the Premier League player profile. You know, it's all about the Premier League player profile brought to you by Fruiter. And right now we're here with the Patrick Vieira at Waterhouse. Hugh Howell. Hugh, how God?
There, I know, brother.
Oh, Patrick Vieira, when you're balling them, because the man go say, oh, whatever they are style, Mr. Patrick Vieira. I don't mind midfielder that. You get me? But Hugh, you know what I mean? So far, I want you to tell me your journey so far as a footballer.
Well, as a footballer, the journey, you have ups and downs, you know? But you don't know the bad time make the good time feel so special, is it?
Tell me life at Waterhouse in the Premier League.
Well, life at Waterhouse in the Premier League can be happy, it can be sad, because it's a high-profile club and it's very demanding. When things are going bad, the fans demand a lot. So we have to just step up and bring our A game.
All right, you know what I mean? As a central defensive midfielder or as a defensive midfielder, you know what I mean? That's a very influential position in the game, you know what I mean? Most captains you find in that position, you get me? Like, what would you describe your role to the club?
Well, my role to the club, you know, is very important and very influential. As I say, the engine to a car is very important and I'm the engine of Waterhouse. Yeah. So if on a day I don't play good, Waterhouse doesn't play good. You
step away from football a little bit, you know. Tell me what's Hugh Howell like off the field, you know what I mean? What you do for fun, you know what I mean? All of them things there.
Well, Hugh Howell off the field, you know, is a very different person. Very fun to be around. Loving, caring, spend time with my family, my little daughter. Most of the time when I want to enjoy myself, I go out to the club, enjoy myself. And you know it's back to football again.
How would you inspire any one of the young players on the team?
Well, a lot of players look up to me and all I have to say to them is just work hard, you know. You see me? Because football, it's progressing in Jamaica now. And most young youths, they have the talent and they have the showcase to show their talent now. So they have to just train hard.
Right now your football career is storming, but we know say when your football career ready for us, you know what I mean? What you plan to do after?
Well, as I tell you, music thing still, as I tell you, I'm power on artist, because Fantan Moja, I'm a stepfather to you, see it. So more after football, probably you can see me in a producing too, maybe being an artist too, you see it, you never know.
All right, there you have it, Hugh Howell, former Aggie man, you know, that's the thing they don't it. Player profile brought to you by Fruiter. Pree Dis. You know it's all about credit right now. You just check out some of the dance moves a while ago, don't it? It's time for the Lime Top 10 chart. Remember, it's always a bad song at #1. And if you're wondering why I look like this, honestly, I don't know. I just feel it today. I swear, Pree Dis.
Box some money, box some money. Julia with the white socks some money. You see me not it all, you know me lots some money. You trail me chuck some money. If you get a youth, box some money, box some money.
Hey, she cook the rice and peas and trick him. Trick him, trick him. Yes, she cook the rice and peas and trick him. Trick him.
But home if it just I'm not certain. Where you are to behind curtain. No for them say them are your friend. When you check it out, them is a different person.
Whole heap of style I do, whole heap of style I try. Some I drop it on the ground and some I quint it like a high conscience. Tell them fi bubble, him never tell them lie. But at this more I make girl them fi try take time and see. You know we, you know we, you know we run road. You know we, you know we, you know we run road. You know we, say I'm a girl that I don't load. I tell you be around the street when you done.
Your body is my destination. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
I'm sorry that you're sorry, but sorry's not good enough for me, baby. I'm sorry that you're sorry, but sorry can't dry my tears, lady.
I'm gonna eat up tonight.
sex, no we cross from when. We are send demons over hill.
Bad mind them a pray, them a pray, them a pray. If them could, them would have made one away. When we stepping on the street with these wallabies, them see we gonna shake.
Sorry to say, but that's all we have for you on this week's edition of Pree Dis. Remember, I'm your host, Cruddy, and keep it locked to Tempo. Big up everybody on the Flow Network. You know the things set already, right? All right, so until next week, it's Cruddy. I'm gonna know Pree Dis. It was fun while it lasts. Big up everybody in the Oche. Remember, follow us on Twitter. You don't know the link them already. So until next week, gone, my gone.